So don't hold in your knowledge, give your knowledge. Teach people what you know. That allows you to delegate. That allows those individuals to level up. And I promise you, those same individuals that you gave that knowledge to and you helped level up are the same individuals that will remember you're the person that did it. People aren't stupid, man. Okay? They are not stupid. People are smart individuals. And they can see someone hiding information because they don't feel that that one person wants to tell them something because they might be better than them. It's okay. Please be better than me. I actually beg you to be better than me. I don't want to be better than you, right? I want to surround myself by people smarter than me, not me be the smartest person in the room. If you're the smartest person in the room, you either intentionally fucked up or you shouldn't be in that room, right? You should be learning from others. In the moment of independent one-on-ones, you should be teaching people your knowledge and helping them level up. So I would say that's very important to have.